Top 5 Best CNC Router Machine in 2024. Product Images. Number 1. TwoTrees TTS 55 Pro CNC Machine. It is the most popular and best-selling product in 2024. Orders. Reviews. Rating. For update price, please check description box. Number 2. New Black 6552 Axis CNC Engraving Machine. It is another most popular and best-selling product. Orders. Reviews. Rating. For update price, please check description box. Number 3. TwoTrees Touchscreen CNC Machine. Orders. Reviews. Rating. For update price, please check description box. Number 4. Yofuly 500W Spindle CNC Wood Router Machine. Application: plastic, wood, acrylic, PVC, PCB, leather, metallic paint coating, acrylic, stainless steel, aluminum alloy, and so on. 500W Spindle High Speed. The upgraded 3-axis 4540 engraving machine is equipped with an 500W spindle for more power and higher efficiency, making it possible to cut stainless steel, aluminum, and other metals. The maximum movement speed can reach 5,000 mm per minute. The spindle speed range is 0-11,000 rpm/min. Larger working area. The CNC router machine has a larger engraving area, increased to 430/390/90 mm, 16.9-15.43.5 inch. The working table has precise scale lines, which is convenient for you to locate and measure the engraving material size. Wide application compatibility. The CNC wood machine is compatible with GRBL software and supports systems such as Windows XP/7/8/10 and Mac OS. Suitable for engraving and carving stainless steel, wood, aluminum, brass, plexiglass, leather, PCB, MDF, acrylic, resin, nylon, carbon fiber, PCB, PVC, etc. Warranty. We provide a 1-year warranty and fantastic after-sales service. If have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Number 5. ORTUR 90W CNC Lathe Cutting Engraving Machine. ORTUR 90W Table Laser Cutter Engraver with Rotary Roller 40 cm OLM 3LA Phone with Metal Wood CNC Lathe Cutting Engraving Machine. Advanced Control Software. Laser GRBL 3.0.14 software ensures precise control and compatibility with multiple systems. Durable aluminum acrylic construction. Constructed with robust aluminum and acrylic for long-lasting performance. Versatile engraving capabilities. Supports various power levels, from 1000 megawatts to 20 W, for diverse engraving tasks. Safety function. Laser light detect and protection. Position deviation detection and protection. Machine inclination detection and protection. Current, voltage detection and protection. USB connection detection and protection. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay with me.